Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on our today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make mandazi. So kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So in a bowl, I've put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. After that, you're going to mix it well. Then you're going to add in a 1/3 cup of sugar, but you can add more sugar, so don't limit yourself if you want your mandazi to be so sweet. After that, I added a 1/4 cup of milk powder. You're going to mix all that well. I used milk powder since I want mandazi to be more flavorful, but if you are using milk, no need of adding milk powder. So you're going to mix that well. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of margarine. You're going to mix that until crumbly. After mixing margarine and flour, your flour should be as shown. Then you're going to add in 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. The main reason for vanilla essence is to remove the smell of the eggs on your mandazi. After that, you're going to give it a mix. Make sure you mix that well. Then you're going to add in some warm water gradually so that to form a dough. So you're going to put your warm water gradually to form a dough. You'll then start kneading the dough for 3 to 5 minutes until the dough is soft, or you just knead until you see the dough is soft. After kneading, we'll let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to roll it out so that you can cut it into mandazi shapes. Thank you for watching to this far. So let's continue watching. So you're going to cut your mandazi into shapes, but don't limit yourself. You can cut your mandazi either round shape, square, rectangle, whatever the shape you want. So kindly explore on shapes for your mandazi. After cutting into shapes, you let them rest for about 15 minutes before frying. So you're going to fry our mandazi in a medium heat. Make sure your oil is well heated. The reason for using medium heat, this will make your mandazi cook very well from the inside to the outside. But if you use high heat, your mandazi won't cook well in the inside. So you're going to cook your mandazi on medium heat until golden brown as shown. As you can see, our mandazi turned out so well and the color is so appealing and they look so delicious. I'm sure you'll be able to try out this recipe and let me know in the comments. Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make mandazi using yogurt. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So in a bowl, I've added 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I added a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I added 1 teaspoon of not 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You're going to mix all the dry ingredients well. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of margarine. You can also use butter if you have. So you're going to mix the flour and the margarine until crumbly. After that, I added 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. You're going to mix that well. Make sure you mix that well so that they are nicely combined. Then I've used 1 cup of yogurt, vanilla yogurt. So you're going to mix the yogurt to the flour. Make sure you mix well so that it can form a dough. For 2 cups of flour, you're going to use 1 cup of yogurt, so no need of adding water or milk. So you're going to mix that until it forms a dough. Then you're going to knead until the dough is soft. After the dough is soft, you're going to divide the dough into small balls. Then you're going to let them rest for about 5 minutes before rolling them out. You'll then roll out the dough and cut into the mandazi shapes. I've cut into 4 parts, which is triangle, but you can choose to cut any other shapes. You'll repeat the process of cutting the mandazi until all are done. Then you're going to let them rest for about 20 minutes before frying. Make sure the oil of cooking mandazi is well heated, so you're going to fry your mandazi under medium heat. The reason for frying mandazi on a medium heat is that it will make the mandazi cook well from inside. So you're going to fry your mandazi till they turn that nicely golden brown as shown in the video. Your mandazi should be golden brown as shown in the video. So you're going to remove and put them aside. Then you're going to repeat the process of frying until you finish all the mandazis. This was my first time trying out yogurt mandazi, and to be honest, they turned out so well. As always, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. So let's continue frying. The yogurt mandazi turned out so well and they are very soft and delicious. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you'll give it a try. And also don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Wishing you all a blessed day ahead. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.